All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hyper accelerate your ability to learn on YouTube without even watching YouTube videos. And I'm going to show you how to do it for free. This plugin I'm going to show you guys is going to help you research topics faster. It's going to help you learn new skills faster. And it's just going to save you so much time and headache watching all these terrible YouTube videos because, you know, half the videos on YouTube are just terrible and they waste your time. And half the battle is just trying to find the good ones. So with that being the case, let me not make this video suck and let me just get straight into the value. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so before I actually show you what the plugin is, let me show you how it works, right? So let's just say you're on YouTube and you're looking to learn a new skill. Let's just say you're trying to learn how to generate more leads for your business, right? So you go into YouTube and you type in lead generation strategies and you go ahead and hit search and the results come up and all these different videos come up and you're like, okay, which one do I want to watch? So let's just say, for instance, you're like, this one looks good. It's got 345,000 views 6 months ago. You know, it's 12 minutes long. Okay, cool. Let me check it out. So the normal process is you would click on this video like this. You would actually go ahead and watch the entire video. You would watch 12 minutes of it and hope that it was good, right? But this is the old way to do it. Let me show you guys the new way to learn on YouTube, okay? You're gonna come to this video, you're gonna install the plugin that I'm gonna show you in just a second, and then you're going to come over here and you're gonna hit this little button that has the ChatGPT icon, okay? You're gonna click on this ChatGPT icon, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna open up ChatGPT. It's gonna pull in the entire script of that video, and then what it's gonna do is it's gonna summarize that entire video in 5 bullet points. Look at it go. Watch what's happening right now. So ChatGPT is scrubbing the entire video and it's giving you the main 5 key takeaways from that video, okay? Then all you have to do is just come in here and just look at the main points, right? So for instance, he talks about lead generation basics. He talks about manual lead generation by using Google Maps. That's pretty cool. He talks about automated lead generation using Apollo.io, right? So as you can see, this is a pretty valuable video. You know, he was actually giving some tools and stuff like that. And the cool thing is, if there's a tool on here, if there's something that you didn't know about or something that you just learned, well, guess what? Now you can actually just go, okay, what's Apollo.io? I can go over to a new tab and actually just type in Apollo.io and go check it out, and I can learn about the software just like that. Super, super crazy, right? So that's one example, right? But let me just say you're on YouTube and you're looking for sales training, right? You're looking to, you know, get better at selling and closing on the phone or over virtual webinars or whatever. So you're going to type in sales training. So this video right here says sales training, how to sell anything to anyone, right? And you can see that it's 38 minutes long. So typically what you would do is you would click on this button and you would go ahead and watch all 38 minutes of the video. But that's the old way to do it. Let me show you the new way to do it. You come over here and you click on the little ChatGPT icon. And again, it's going to pull in that entire script into ChatGPT, and it's going to start summarizing the whole entire video in seconds. Now, let's look at what this has to say about this video, right? So it says the 5 things: mindset and preparation, personal vision and confidence, sales and leadership, addressing objections. Basically, the video title is sales training, how to sell anything to anyone, right? So I'm kind of looking for some tactics. I'm looking for some strategies. But when I come to the summary, it's kind of giving me just very, very basic suggestions about what I should do when it comes to being better at sales, right? And not to say that this video isn't valuable, but maybe that's not what I'm looking for. Maybe I'm looking for some actual tactics, right? And this is more kind of generalized. Now I can just go back to YouTube and I can just search another video and check that one out, as opposed to watching 38 minutes of the video and then realizing I'm like, oh my God, I just wasted almost 40 minutes of my life for nothing. Let's say these 5 bullet points are very valuable and they are very intriguing to you. Well, great, then go ahead and watch the whole entire video. But at least now you know you're gonna be watching a video that you actually wanna watch. And here's another cool thing that you can do. Let's just say you like these 5 bullet points right here and you're like, ooh, that's really, really interesting. What you could do is actually tell ChatGPT to expand on each of these bullet points and then hit enter. And then what's going to happen is ChatGPT is going to go ahead and expand and go deeper into each one of those topics so you can learn even more about it. Now, let me show you what this plugin actually is. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google using Google Chrome. By the way, you have to be using Google Chrome in order for this to work. And you're going to type in YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Okay. And you're going to find this little Chrome extension, and that's what it is. It's a Chrome extension, and it's called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. And you're going to hit the blue button that says add extension or install to Chrome or something like that. Mine says remove from Chrome because I already have it installed, but yours should say install or add to Chrome or something like that. And when you add it, what's going to happen is the little extension is going to pop up right here. You know, you'll be able to see it up here. It's like green and red, right? And as soon as you install that plugin, you can now literally go to any YouTube video and you can hit this little ChatGPT icon and you can scan and pull the transcripts in and summarize any YouTube video out there. And I haven't really seen there to be like a time limit. I've even scanned like an hour-long video one time and it did it perfectly. So there's so many ways you can use this. I'm actually really interested. Type in the comments below, what kind of ways can you see yourself using this? Or what are some other ways that you can get creative and use this tool, right? Drop them in the comments below. And if you are new to RFA and you got some value from this, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you are notified when we drop gems like this and you can get them and use them fast, all right? Hit us up on Instagram, TikTok. We're always dropping gems all over the place, and we hope to see you guys soon. Peace.